You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these words in French, meaning citizen? You've got both the masculine or male versions, that's the first word on your screen, and the female one. Pronunciations are a little bit different. So let's get through. The masculine version is citoyen, citoyen, citoyen. So you have this un sound at the end. It doesn't really include an N sound, it's just that EN together form this un sound, okay? Citoyen. Now the feminine version with E-double-N-E at the end is pronounced as citoyenne. Here you do have an N sound, and not the N sound, but an N sound at the end. Citoyenne. So that's for women. Citoyen for men. Citoyen, citoyenne for women. Citoyen, citoyenne. That's a way often state people address the nation. Citoyen, citoyenne, meaning citizens of France. Let's say citoyen, citoyenne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.